As we enter retirement, many people begin to reflect on the true value of life and how to make the most of the precious time we have left. This is the perfect time to start a new chapter, explore uncharted lands, and enjoy the wonderful experiences that life has to offer. As someone once said, travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer, because the memories and lessons you learn from your travels will always be valuable assets that cannot be measured in money. Every destination, every person you meet, every culture you discover enriches your life, and that makes you richer in a special way. Choosing the right place to spend your retirement is a big decision. If you're on the hunt for the perfect spot in Europe, this video's got you covered. We'll help you compare and pick the best places for a laid-back and enjoyable life. So let's dive in and explore together. 1. France. At the top of this list is France. The country is nicknamed the City of Light. This title not only stems from the fact that Paris was one of the first cities to use streetlights, but also because France is a global center of culture, knowledge, art, and the Enlightenment, particularly during the 18th century Enlightenment period. Many visitors regard it as an elegant and charming country, a timeless destination where history, art, and culture are intertwined in perfect harmony. From the cobblestone streets of Paris to the sun-drenched vineyards of Provence, every corner of this enchanting country tells a story of beauty, creativity, and tradition. If you're looking for a meaningful retirement in France, here's what you need to know about this country. In France, renting a hotel in major cities like Paris can cost between $1,280 and $2,660 per month, while in rural areas or smaller towns, rent can range from $640 to $1,280. As for health insurance, this expense can vary depending on your age and the insurance package you choose, costing anywhere from $107 to $320 per month. To fully explore all that France has to offer, you'll need to account for additional costs like entertainment, transportation, and other activities, which can range from $160 to $320 per month. In summary, with a total budget of $1,600 to $3,700, you can enjoy a comfortable retirement in France where the people, culture, cuisine, and climate blend seamlessly together. 2. Ireland. Ireland is an increasingly popular destination for retirees seeking a peaceful and picturesque environment with a mild climate. Here's what you need to know if you're planning to retire in this country. First, temperatures here generally range from 15 to 20 degrees in the summer and only 2-8 days in the winter. So, if you plan on participating in outdoor activities during the winter, I recommend preparing extra warm clothes, hats, socks, and shoes. Second, regarding the cost of living, Ireland is known to be relatively expensive, particularly in large cities like Dublin, Cork, and Galway. However, many rural areas and smaller towns offer more affordable options. Therefore, you should prepare a budget of $2,240 to $3,150 per month. Third, this is one of the strengths of this country. Ireland has a high-quality healthcare system that combines public and private services, providing peace of mind for retirees. Moreover, the country is considered a safe place with a low crime rate, and its communities are very friendly and peaceful, especially in rural areas. Finally, for retirees who are non-EU citizens, there are specific visa options, including the Stamp Zero visa, which allows retirees to live in Ireland as long as they can prove they have sufficient financial resources to support themselves. This visa requires evidence of an annual income of at least $53,500 per person and private health insurance. Ireland's welcoming atmosphere, beautiful landscapes, and solid healthcare system make it an excellent choice for retirees seeking a comfortable and rewarding lifestyle. 3. Portugal. First of all, this is the most popular country for any retirement trip. Most people say they come here to recharge. They find Portugal an attractive retirement destination for many people due to the combination of affordability, mild climate, rich culture, and excellent healthcare. In Portugal, English is also widely spoken, so when you retire here, communication will be easy. As for food and living costs, they are not too expensive. If you choose to dine at local restaurants, meals typically cost $11 to $16. If you rent an apartment in the city center, prices range from $70 to $1,600 per month, while outside the city center, it's around $750 to $170. And in rural areas, the rent is cheaper, around $430 to $640 per month. Are you a bit concerned about your safety while traveling in this country? Here's some good news for you. Portugal is one of the safest countries in Europe, known for its low crime rates and high quality of life. Therefore, I think this is a country where you can retire for an extended period without worrying about high costs or safety issues. 4. Spain. Spain is the fourth destination on this list, and most retirees are familiar with the country for its many UNESCO World Heritage Sites, stunning landscapes, friendly people, delicious cuisine, low cost of living, excellent healthcare system, and safe political climate. Many surveys of retirees show that food and rent are quite affordable, with local meals costing between $11 and $21. Additionally, the cost to rent a one-bedroom apartment ranges from $750 to $1,080 in major cities, and even less in smaller towns. On average, retirees can live comfortably with a budget of $1,230 to $2,680 per month. I know you're most concerned about the political and security situation in the region. It's safe to say that this country is very secure. Officials rate their country as safe, with a low crime rate, allowing travelers to explore its cities and towns without worry. Another piece of information I think you should know is that non-EU citizens can retire in Spain through the Spanish retirement visa or the Spanish golden visa. Generally, the retirement visa only requires proof of sufficient funds, typically around $32,000 in a bank account, while the golden visa requires financial investment, such as purchasing property. I think this is convenient for most retirees. 5. Malta. Malta is increasingly becoming a popular destination for retirees, especially Americans seeking a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle in Europe. Valletta, the capital, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with well-preserved buildings and numerous museums, allowing retirees to immerse themselves in the local culture. The Mediterranean climate adds to Malta's appeal, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Summer temperatures can reach between 86 to 95 degrees, 30-35 degrees, while winter typically hovers around 50-59 degrees, 10-15 degrees, creating ideal conditions for outdoor activities year-round. The cost of living in Malta is relatively affordable compared to many Western European countries, making it attractive for retirees looking to save money. Monthly expenses generally range from $1,600 to $2,700, depending on lifestyle choices. Dining out is quite reasonable, with meals at local restaurants priced from $11 to $22. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in cities like Valletta or Slima can range from $850 to $1,600 per month, while smaller towns often offer lower rental prices starting at around $650. Healthcare is another significant draw. Malta boasts a high-quality healthcare system that includes free public services for residents. Many retirees opt for private health insurance to gain quicker access to specialists and elective procedures. Additionally, safety is a crucial consideration for retirees, and Malta is known for its low crime rate and welcoming atmosphere, allowing residents to feel secure while exploring their surroundings. In summary, the combination of culture, climate, and healthcare services makes Malta an exceptional choice for those seeking a comprehensive retirement experience. 6. Greece. Imagine a place in the world where all worries about security, instability, or danger vanish. This place is Greece. Known for its stunning landscapes and rich history, Greece is an attractive destination for retirees seeking a peaceful lifestyle and cultural abundance. Greece has a Mediterranean climate characterized by hot, dry summers and mild winters. Summer temperatures range from 86 to 95 degrees Celsius, 30-35 Celsius, while winter temperatures vary from 41-59 to 40 Celsius, 5-15 Celsius. This climate is perfect for retirees who want to travel, explore, and live in a comfortable environment. In addition to its spectacular scenery and pleasant weather, Greece offers a very affordable cost of living. Many travelers who have visited here share that the overall cost of living is significantly lower than in many Western European countries, with average monthly expenses for retirees ranging from $1,600 to $2,700. Dining out at local restaurants costs around $11 to $16. Furthermore, renting an apartment is not too expensive, with prices in popular cities like Athens or Thessaloniki typically ranging from $550 to $1,000 per month. And notably, prices in smaller towns can be significantly lower. Finally, for those wishing to retire in Greece, there are various visa options available, including the Golden Visa program, which offers residency rights through real estate investment, and the Digital Nomad Visa, designed for remote workers. The combination of a rich culture, favorable climate, affordable living costs, and a welcoming community makes Greece a fantastic choice for retirees seeking a fulfilling and exciting life in a beautiful setting. 7. Turkey. Have you ever wondered why more and more tourists want to visit Turkey? Well, it's one of the most appealing destinations for retirees looking to experience a seamless blend of Eastern and Western cultures. So, if you were to visit Turkey, what would you prepare for? Let me give you some suggestions. First, you'll need to prepare around $100 to $2,200, depending on your lifestyle and the city you choose. Dining at local restaurants can cost about $550 to $11, and renting a one-bedroom apartment may range from $330 to $550 per month. If you choose to live in smaller towns or coastal areas, the costs can be significantly lower. And next, you'll need to research health insurance plans to ensure you have access to high-quality healthcare while living in the country. Rest assured, Turkey's healthcare system is highly regarded. Overall, Turkey is an attractive destination for retirees, offering a balanced combination of culture, affordability, and lifestyle. 8. Montenegro. Montenegro is often referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic due to its stunning natural beauty, especially its beautiful coastline, majestic mountains, and ancient coastal towns like Kotor and Budva. When planning a trip to Montenegro, it's essential to carefully consider the costs to ensure a wonderful experience without financial strain. Firstly, hotel prices in cities like Kotor or Budva range from $55 to $165 per night. Regarding dining, Montenegro offers a variety of affordable culinary options. You can expect to spend between $11 and $27 for each meal at a restaurant. If you choose to cook for yourself, the cost of groceries can be as low as $33 to $66 for the week. When it comes to transportation within Montenegro, the public transport system is relatively developed, with bus tickets costing about $1 to $2 per ride. If you want to explore further, car rental can range from $27 to $66 per day, depending on the type of vehicle. In terms of security, Montenegro is considered one of the safest countries in Europe, with a low crime rate. However, like in any other country, travelers should remain cautious and avoid deserted areas at night. 9. Italy. Do you know why many retirees choose Europe as their ideal destination for retirement? According to various surveys, they frequently travel to Europe because it boasts stunning natural landscapes, from beautiful coastlines to majestic mountains, along with a rich cultural heritage and fascinating history. The high quality of life, excellent healthcare systems, and affordable living costs in many areas make it an attractive choice. Furthermore, the pleasant climate and friendly communities help retirees easily integrate and enjoy their lives. Lastly, the rich culinary scene is also a significant plus, making Europe an ideal place to experience a fulfilling and exciting life. Italy is one such country. Italy offers a captivating blend of rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and a relaxed lifestyle. The country is famous for its local delicacies, providing visitors the opportunity to savor delicious meals. According to various travel surveys, the best time to visit is in the fall, from September to October, when the weather is pleasant. I believe now is a great time for you to travel to this country. Regarding the cost of living, rent for a one-bedroom apartment can range from $800 to $1,500 in major cities, often lower in smaller towns. Dining here typically features local dishes, with reasonably priced meals averaging around $15 to $30. Additionally, Italy boasts a quality healthcare system, known for its accessibility and standards of care, making it a reliable choice for long-term retirement. 10. Croatia. Croatia is the last destination on the list of the 10 best places to retire in Europe. This country is famous for its stunning coastline, rich history, and relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle. Similar to Italy, September and October are the best months to visit, with warm weather and beautiful scenery, perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing. Croatia is one of the few countries that combines breathtaking landscapes with a low cost of living. Tourists report being able to rent a one-bedroom apartment in major cities for prices ranging from $600 to $1,200, and even lower in smaller towns. This affordability allows retirees to extend their stay beyond their original plans. Similarly, dining out is quite economical, with meals at local restaurants averaging between $10 and $20, enabling retirees to enjoy delicious Croatian cuisine without overspending. In my personal opinion, with its beautiful landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and friendly community, Croatia would be a fantastic choice for retirees looking for a complete and enjoyable retirement experience. If you are planning a trip to Europe for yourself, you should consider this country. Above are all the detailed insights on the top 10 best places to retire in Europe that retirees can consider for their travel plans. These are all beautiful cities with reasonable costs that anyone can think of. Moreover, they are very safe with stable political situations and high-quality healthcare systems. So why wait? Start planning your retirement in these wonderful countries. Finally, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to share it widely with friends and family so they can benefit too. Thank you for your attention and for following this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on the latest and best videos from our editorial team. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.